Ultra Premium Collection. I've been tossing up whether or not I was even going to get one of these. As you see, I've tried to get one of everything. Opened a few, kept some, but I couldn't really justify paying over $200. But I thought, you know what, why not? Let's give it a go. And there are a few cards in here that you can only get from this box. So ultimately, if I wanted to complete my 151 collection, I would have inevitably either had to buy one of these boxes anyway, or have to buy the cards out of it from someone who's already opened it. So in this box in particular, there are one etched foil promo card, UX, one full art foil promo card, Mewtwo, and the etched metal card. Playmat, deck box, metallic coin, dice, 2 plastic condition markers, 16 151 packs, which is what I'm really buying this for, and one of the cards for your online trading card game if you play it. All right, well, let's open it up. Okay. Now, how do we get this bad boy out of here? Let's have a look. Oh, okay. Not bad. Definitely keep it as a display piece. It's actually a nice looking box. It's got hologram through it. Oh. Now comes the fun part. Ooh, nice. It's got hologram throughout the whole thing. All right, where to begin? Well, so these are the promo cards that you get in it. There we go. So they slide out the top. I know a lot of people have been having problems taking these cards out, but maybe it's the middle one people have problems with. Okay, so there doesn't seem to be a way to, maybe, nope. Nope, okay, so the only way is to physically damage it to get it out. Actually, maybe not. There we go. There she is. So this is the metal version, MUX. We'll add that one to the collection. Second promo card. I know you probably noticed in the background, I just opened the Obsidian Flames yesterday. The first collector box I got. I didn't do a video on it, but I pulled that out of one of the packs, so pretty happy about that. And last but not least, okay. Now, let's see what else is in this pack. So there's your coin, flip coin, pretty cool, plastic coin, bit of fun. carry your cards around. I guess if you actually do play, I'm sure there's people out there that do use it. And then you've got your other little bits and pieces in here. Okay, now, oh, of course, the placemat. The playmat. Let's get this out of here. Let's get this out of here. Let's see what we've got here. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Why don't we make this? Seems fitting. Why not? We'll figure it out. For now, the moment I've been waiting for, and 90% of the reason why I bought this box were for these bad boys. So let's get started and hopefully pull something nice out of it. See how we go. Okay, here we go. Pack number 1. You get these out of the Elite Trainer boxes. They're the, I guess you could say the 151 themed slips or sleeves for the cards. Every Elite Trainer box, I think, comes with 60 or 65. So anything special, you put them in there. So let's put them over there on that ugly corner. Nope, just ain't gonna play. All right. Let's see what we're getting out of these. Number 1. I don't know if you guys actually use these, but I've actually recently gotten onto playing the trading card game, the app, and I'm finding I'm really enjoying it. So I don't know if you guys ever use these, but I've been using them to redeem the cards. It's actually fun. I never thought I'd actually enjoy playing Pokemon for what it was besides collecting. But now that I've started, I really find it interesting. So let me know if you guys play. Or if these things are just overrated. How many people actually play compared to how many people just buy these to collect? Be interesting to know. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we're getting today. So I'll pop one of those to the front. Energy, of course. Yeah. Execute. Clefairy. Keep them together. Keep the mystery. Keep the mystery. Dragonair. Seadra. Haunter. Darina. So reverse hollow. And a Chansey. Okay. Not bad. Nothing too exciting there, but hey, whatever. I try to open them as carefully as I can without going too crazy over it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Very exciting. Drowsy. Bulbasaur. Teeny. Crowley. Daisy's Helm. Venomoth. Rapidash. Magnemite. Lickitung. And Electro. Again, nothing too fancy, but hey. Oop. I like the buzz. Right. Bloom, Bugtria, Primeape, Tentacruel, Not sure about that one. I think that one might be okay. Let's leave that one over there. I've only just recently, probably the last, I don't know, I'd say 2 or 3 weeks, been getting into 151. Really hard to find. They're all sold out. Half of what I've bought, I've actually had to buy off Facebook Marketplace. All the places I've tried to look at. EB Games, Target, Kmart, Big W, all the card collector places, 95% of them all sold out. So I've had to buy them just off Marketplace. Trying to buy what I can. As you see, there's a few unopened packs here that I'm planning on keeping for the long haul. But other than that, whatever I buy, I usually open and until I complete my master set, which I still haven't completed, but I have pulled some nice cards. But until I complete my master set, I'll keep buying, and then after then, it'll be more just anything I buy would be just to collect. Okay, Pontoya, Poliwag, Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Cloyster, Giovanni's Charisma. Now I know that there is a collector card of that one. Right on, Machop, Reverse Holo, Charmeleon, and a Holo Mewtwo. I think I've got about 6 of those so far, but Charmeleon's nice. Alright, number 3. Here we go. Yeah, I've tried to get into the Holo Energy. Nice. I don't think I've got that one. Yeah, I've been trying to get into it. Friends have been talking to me about the Obsidian Flames and some of the good cards that you can pull from the Obsidian Flames deck. There's a few other good. What was the other one? I think it was Sword and Shield. I don't know, I'm still reasonably new to all this. So the 151 has really been my first, I guess you could say, Pokemon collection. So I don't really know all of them. I'm sure my knowledge is going to grow as time goes on and I get more into it. But for now, the 151 is pretty much where it's at for me. Until I get one of every card, and as they call it, I get that master set, then I might move on to something else. But my journey has begun at Scarlet and Violet 151 for now. So I am still a rookie at all this. Let's see what we got. I can see a Holo Edge back there. Don't know what that is, but I can see a Holo Edge. Mark, Diglett, and Ditto. Not hitting anything too crazy just yet, but, well, no. Alright. Get rid of that one, pop that one to the front, and here we go. Energy. We've got a Shelder, Helix Fossil, we've got a Slowpoke, Magmar, we've got a Trainer card, an Execute, a Graveler. Mind you, he's actually my favourite Pokemon. I've been playing the old Nintendo Advance DS, the Game Boy, and I've been playing Pokemon Blue lately, the original Pokemon Blue. And I caught a Geodude and I've evolved him. And this guy's my top Pokemon on there, so he's actually become my favourite Pokemon. He's great. He's absolutely fantastic in my opinion. I'm sure there's better ones out there. I'm sure there's, more powerful ones. I'm sure, yeah, a lot of things. But for me, I don't know, there's something about Graveler. I think he's really cool. Reverse Holo, Venonat, and what's that? Articuno? See, that's how rookie I am. That is how rookie I am. I don't even know how to pronounce that name. We'll pop that over there. Okay, let's start get through a few of these packs. I'm really dragging my feet here. Alright, let's go. Down there. Okay, Contour, Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Pidgeotto, Pincer, Bills Transfer, Glowbat, Trainer Card, Tentacruel, and Mr. Mime. Another Mr. Mime. I think I've got about 3 of him so far. Trying to complete this set. I think maybe there's 1 or 2 I've gotten so far that I actually need, that I haven't got just yet. But so far, most of what I'm unboxing at the moment are things that I already have. Hollow Energy, I'll take that. Halsey, Abra, Diglett, Drowsy, Arcanine, Snorlax, Reverse Hollow Sandshrew, Reverse Hollow Venonat, and another Electrode. Look at all these cards. All these so far, and absolutely nothing just yet. Alright, we'll keep going. You know, the best cards I've pulled out, I got I believe they call it a demigod pack. I opened up one pack. I bought the Kmart, one of the Kmart folder with the 151 folder in it, and it's got 4 packs in it. And I tell you what, out of those packs, I've got the best cards so far. And in one of them, I opened a demigod pack that had the 3 Squirtles up to the Blastoise. And I couldn't believe it. All in one pack. So far, to be honest, the cheapest ones that I've bought seem to be yielding the best results. Now, whether or not that's relevant or relative, I don't know. I'm sure it's just chance or just luck. I don't think that they would be a way where they could actually put good packs in more expensive collector boxes. I have a feeling that it's completely random, but hey, I don't know. Maybe there is some method to this madness that I don't understand. And the more you spend, the better you're supposed to get. But my experience has been the cheaper bundles I've bought, or the cheaper boxes I've bought, have yielded the best results. So, I don't know. Oop, don't put that there. What can I say? The results speak for themselves. Let's see what we got. Sprout, leftovers, Persian. Ooh. Oh, how fun is that? 2 in the same pack. Rapidash and Daisy's Help. Daisy's Help. Now, I think that's a good one. Not sure. Gonna have to check that one out. And a Rapidash. I know I haven't got him. We're getting through them. Not many to go. Put that there. Put that one to the front. Let's see if we can get at least one good one. Alright. Still nothing super exciting. Geodude. Haunter. Oh no, I thought that was... Oh, there's an EX. There we go. We got an EX. I do not have Arbok. Put him in a sleeve. Now that I thought was the... Oh, it's the full art Ivysaur. I think... See, that's how rookie I am. Now, I know that's a good card, but I have no idea about it. So, I've literally started this a few weeks ago, a couple of weeks ago. Here I am, trying my best to get all this done, making a video because I know that there's not many of these collector box of videos out there. I know there is a few, but there's a lot of, you know, mumbo jumbo. I'm just trying to show the box, show the packs, have a little chat along the way, but ultimately just keep it simple and straight to the point. This is the box, I'm opening it up, and you're just watching it. Let's see. No. Abra. Diglett. Daisy's Help. And another one. Oh, I don't think I have that Voltorb. Reverse Hollow. Okay. Here we go. Nice little pile of rubbish sitting beside me. Okay, let's see, only a couple of packs to go. Hollow Energy, like that. Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Nidorina, Eradicate, Erica's Invitation, Magikarp, Venonat, and Vaporeon. Haven't got him again. Nothing super exciting. Nothing super exciting. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, come on. Come on.
I was on my road heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home.
Oh, Alakazam EX, nice. I have to get one of him with the box I bought over there. Had to get one of, I had to pay for that box just to get that card. So that's a nice find. 3 packs to go, nearly there. Nearly there. 3 packs left. Oh, geez, I'm getting ahead of myself. There we go. Wow, look at that centering. Look at that. That is horrible. Horrible. Luckily it's only an energy card, but still. Alright. Spiro, Crossbar, Magikarp, Oddish, Voltorb, Mr. Mime. Oh, yeah. That's full art. There we go. Again, got no idea, but I know if it's a full art card, it's usually a pretty good card. Check the little stars down the bottom, 1 gold star. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. 2 packs to go. Still slightly underwhelmed. It is not over yet. So, Hollow Energy. Would be nice to pull a Charizard, but hey, it's nice to pull anything EX, I guess. No. Alright. Mudshot. Sandslash. Okay. Lucky last. Here we go. This is it. This is it. Lucky last. Sorry if you can hear, there's a dog crying next door in the background, barking. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's barking and crying and howling. And pop that down. Another. Look at that centering, would you? Wow, that is like. Anyway, here we go. Lucky last. Come on, give me something good. And we have Daisy's help. Well, there you go for the Ultra Premium Collection 151. Pulled out a couple of nice cards there. I'm pretty happy about the Ivysaur. Nothing super crazy, but still pretty happy with it. If you guys want me to do any more unboxing videos, you know, like, comment, subscribe, and if I get enough interest, yeah, I might do a few more. Open up a few different boxes and mix it up a bit. See how we go.